Hello everybody. Right, so I'm going to do a sort of a vlog on antiques fairs. I've got an antiques fair coming up on the 22nd. I thought I'm going to try and grow a YouTube channel a bit, so why don't I start with a vlog of, I suppose, how I do things, how I set up for the antiques fair, what an antiques fair looks like, what you do as a dealer, sort of hobbyist on my own, etc, etc, etc. So, it's a Saturday beforehand, and today is the sort of boring, tedious day of just what am I going to take. So basically, I'm in my antiques room, you can see. So I've got a lot of stock, collections hanging up. Basically, from the last few that I've done, I've kind of like just kept boxes around. So I've got a few boxes in the garage that are already full. I've got a box upstairs that's full. But obviously, if you follow my channel at all, if you follow Instagram, MD Antiques UK, you'll know that I'm constantly buying and constantly selling, so it's gets turned around. So basically today is boring labels, get things labelled and priced, just because I think it saves people having to ask a price, because sometimes people are actually quite shy and don't want to ask or don't want to haggle or whatever, so if it's got a price in it, at least they have an idea. Then yeah, try and get it wrapped up safely, ready for transport, in as fewer boxes as possible, because it's a pain in the backside dragging things around on your own. So that's the idea. I've also got the big plastic Lego boxes, so they'll be with the collectible Lego in it. And yeah, that's kind of it for today. I'm going to do a competition, so look out for that, and that's going to be linked to the YouTube channel, linked to this vlog, but I'll explain more in posts on Instagram and that. Okay, better get on with it. Don't like this part. Not as bad as packing up at the end of the fair. You'll see that in the video. But yeah, that's it. Done. Thank you very much. Bye. Right. So one of the things I try and like to do is have like a big item. This is the big item. Nishijin Japanese pachinko machine. So it's a bit like Bagatelle. So basically the reasons I like to have big items is one, hopefully it sells and I can make a bit of money on it. But two, it'll draw people to the table. So for sort of most of last year, Sean the Badger was my big item, and loads of people come over. They were having selfies with it, and so it gets people to the table.
I didn't even like it.
You didn't like Sean the Badger? Oh, I thought you liked him. Never mind. Daddy liked him.
I thought it was panda.
No, it's definitely it wasn't a panda. Small panda. So this is going to be my big item. I'm going to have that on my table. Draw people in. Hopefully they'll buy something because they've come over to see the machine, see it from far away. Blah blah blah. Want to make sure it's working, so you're going to help me now, aren't you, to see it's working? So I'll flip the camera around. Right, you go and do your magic, see if you can get a jackpot. So keep going. There we go. Right, it's working. Okay, hello everybody. So basically it's a couple of days before the fair. I just do a few last minute checks or preparations. So I've been to the shop to buy some sweets, one of the most important preparations. Basically because I'm up at stupid o'clock in the morning, I just eat like poo. So lovely sweets through the day, keep us going basically. And I've also used that opportunity to get some change, which is not as important as I think my first fair, I had like 50 quid worth of change, like 50p's, like just loads of, like, it's not needed from my experience. I've got a tenner worth of coins and 20 quid of fivers. That'll do, basically. I've also got a card machine, so that makes my life a little bit easier. I suppose if you're doing cash only, you might need a bit more change, but the dealers around you are always happy to exchange or change stuff, you know, so you don't need to worry about it that much. I try and work. I don't take too much cash with me. I take basically enough to cover the fee of the table, and I work on the basis that if I sell, I can buy, and that's kind of how I've always done it. Just I suppose since it's more of a hobby for me, I don't necessarily need to go to these fairs to buy loads of new stock. I get a lot of my stock online, and I do all right with it. So I'm not desperate to buy loads of stuff. But having said that, if I sell a lot or do alright selling, I tend to try and buy some stock from the fair that's different to the online stuff or new and fresh, and I use that as a way to sort of like look what I've got, and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, sort of show that I've bought some new stuff, here it is. And I think the last 2 or 3 fairs, some of the stock that I've bought has gone like literally that day. So I've sent a photo while I'm at the fair. This is what I bought. What do you think? It's sold. So that's always like a nice little boost. If you can sell a little bit extra that way. But I don't normally take like, hundreds and hundreds of pounds expecting to spend it all and buy loads. That's not how I work it. Okay. Last little bits. Tomorrow I'll do a sort of test run on the car and pack it up and see where I can fit things, just to make sure everything will fit in, and then that's it, basically. I think I've got a few more bits to wrap. I've got a lamp that I need to get some bubble wrap around, but that's it. Bye! As you can see, it's quite dark still. That's one of the things that's annoying about Antiques Fairs is early morning. It's also taken us 15 minutes longer than I thought it was going to do, because I couldn't get the blooming, you can't even see it, like the Nisjin machine in, which is really annoying. But anyway, I'm on my way to Gateshead. Let's go, let's have a good day. Bye. So I've arrived, found my table. Basic next thing is just to do some pack, and then see what the dealer's doing, see if we can get some trades done this morning. That's it, done. Yeah, same spot, mate. This is Paul. Say hello to the people on YouTube.
Hiya.
I'll be doing a deal with him later, won't I?
Well, we'll see.
Right, unpack it back. Right, so that's me unpacked but not set up yet. Move my car to the car park. We have some light, as you can see. Getting a bit lighter, sunshine over there, nice. So yeah, got to go over, sort the table out, make it look presentable. Quite a few people coming over to look at the Nisjin, Japanese game machine, which is good. So if that sells today, that'll be a really good day. Something on Tash, just noticed. Weird. Right, okay, I'll speak in a bit. Bye. So one of the benefits of getting here a bit early is I've sold something. So beautiful 1950s lamp, gone into a dealer. So I'm not even set up yet. I'm knackered, but first sale, done, sorted. Bye. Okay, so I think I'm all set up for the day. I'll flip it around and show you. So I've got loads of survived the car journey, which is nice. Got the German satirical cartoons, which I actually bought here last year, but framed them, making them look nice. I've also got the Lego. So I'm set up. I'm going to go and have a little look on the fair quickly, see what I can spy on, and that's how it kind of works. So go and have a little wander. Loads of people here already. It's looking good. So I always have like a quick look just before I start, see if anything tastes my fancy. Some quite cool stuff, but nothing yet. And then hopefully if I sell it, I can come back and get it later. That's kind of my idea. I've sold my stuff. So I've made another sale. It's not even open yet, but dealers are coming round. So the fantastic Nisjin, or Nisjin, gutted if I'm honest here, but good sale, good business. I've now got money to spend. Bonus. Bye. Just been told by a dealer that they've wandered around the fair today, and this wonderful machine's the best thing here, which is nice. I mean, it's sold pretty quickly, so it's, you know, probably proves it is probably one of the better things here, one of the nice things here. But yeah, I suppose it's nice to hear from dealers that they like your stuff, you've got a good eye, you know, that sort of thing. So good. Just thought I'd share that a little bit. Getting busier now. It's now officially open, I think. What time is it? Yeah, 5:10, so close enough. Starting to get busier. Hopefully get some sales. Hopefully I'll find something for the competition. That's what I need to do. But I'll let you know when I do. Right, let me have a look. That's the prize. I found the prize. A shake on that. And a shake. Done. So, house. Guys, I'll take them, matey. And I've probably got my eyes on some other stuff later as well. Right. Let's go for another little wander. Found a little tinplate toy, so off a guy who I deal with quite regularly. I bought a trade a while ago, I bought a trade off him as well, so picked up 1960s. Just love the graphics. So yeah, I'm going to have another little wander now, it's pretty busy. See what I can see. So coming at the end of the day, it's been a pretty good day. I've gone around and done some buying as well. I was going to film a deal, but I just totally forgot, if I'm honest with you. But basically most dealers at the show are happy to take a bid, happy to take a haggle, you know, make them an offer. They can only say no at the end of the day. You know, nobody's really offended by people try to bid and get a good price on items, you know, so, you know, you can go and do that. Gonna start packing up because most people are starting to pack up now. The worst part of the day, just getting all your stuff back in, but if you can see the table, it's looking quite light. I've sold quite a bit, so hopefully pretty quick I'll just be able to shoot off. Right, so that's it, end of the day. Everybody's sort of packed up a little bit early, fair's finished a little bit early, which is never too bad. So basically I've got all my stuff put away, wrapped in bubble wrap and all that lot. I just need to get it in the car. As you can see, the car's empty, so last bit of the journey. And I'm going to go and buy some tea because I'm starving, so I forgot my sandwiches. But yeah, so hopefully this video's been a bit of an insight. Sorry I couldn't get a deal. I did actually have a deal done with a dealer, and I said I'll film it, I'll come and film it later, and then he forgot and sold the item that I wanted. Which is fair enough. It is what it is. The cash wasn't exchanged, the deal wasn't done. That's how it works sometimes. But yeah, if you've got any questions or any thoughts, just send us a message or whatever. If you're thinking of doing it yourself, I'd say come and try it. You can buy 6-foot tables, 12-foot tables. I always get an 18-foot table because I've just got a load of garbage and stuff, basically. Not garbage, you know what I mean, just too much stuff. But yeah, you can buy a small table and just come and give it a go if you've got some collectibles that you want to do, or just come down, have a little buy, have a little mooch. It's a good day out, or a few hours out. So yeah, I'm going to shoot on, get the stuff packed away, because I really want to get home, because I'm shattered. That's that. Okay, bye. And breathe. Whew. Right, so the car's packed. Somehow, I mean, I've sold quite a bit today. I have bought a couple of things, but somehow that was an absolute pain in the backside. I don't think I was as efficient. I think I was trying to be too quick. So top tip for you: focus, think, pack, rather than just start hugging things in, because that's what I've then been able to rearrange things and move things to the front that wasn't there. Yeah, anyway, doesn't matter. So yeah, that's it. Day's done. Good day. I'm going to go home now. I try and take notes as I go through the day on like what I've sold, what price I've got. I've got a spreadsheet based on my phone, profit, etc. So I'm going to go home and add up that and sort of make sure it tally marks with the cash, and then trip to the bank probably tomorrow, put the cash in the bank, then yeah, that's it, it's done. So I think the next one's in March, which is going to be cool, looking forward to that. I'll be buying and selling online up until then. Hopefully might put a few YouTube videos out, because I am planning to try and grow that channel this year. That's where the competition's going to come in. I did find another item that may be a prize as well, so I may give a choice of prizes to the winner, so that might be a good idea. But yeah, I'm going to go home, get some tea, breathe, early bed. That's it, done. Bye.